Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to Napster Music on JBL Authentics 200. Here is my JBL Authentics 200 speaker, and to connect to Napster, open JBL One app that you can download on App Store or on Google Play Store. Then go through the configuration, and after configuration click on the speaker, click on in-app music, and now you can choose Napster. Then click on Next and click on Napster, and you can log into Napster and then play the music. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.